Hello everyone, welcome again to IELTS class. So in the last video we have done questions 1 to 8 of section 1 of reading. So now we are going to continue with the same reading and do the remaining question, that is 9 to 14. So let's start with the reading passage. So our passage is, read the text below and answer questions 9 to 14. Winter events in London. The art of the brick exhibition. It's not improbable that you indulge a Lego habit as a child. When you see this exhibition, you might wish you had kept going. Means when you see this exhibition, you feel that the exhibition should go on, or you have the time to spend a lot of time in the exhibition. Former corporate lawyer turned masters of tiny bricks, Nathan Swire never stopped. So he is talking about a person, Nathan Swire, who is a former corporate lawyer and also has a master's in tiny bricks. Returning from tour of Asia, America and Australia, the show is headed for Brick Lane, London. So he's saying that after the return of tour from Asia, America and Australia, now the show is headed for Brick Lane, London for its UK depot at Old Terman, Burway. So venue for the event is Old Terman, Burway, Brick Lane, E1 6QL. Next is B. Harry Potter's Tour, a walking tour for the fans of J.K. Rowling, much-loved fictional character, Harry Potter. So there is a walking tour arranged for the fans of J.K. Rowling, much-loved fictional character Harry Potter. The tour explores film location. The tour is going to explore the film location and inspirations for the book. 10% of the proceeds go to the charity. So all of the proceeds or the amount that earned by the event, out of that 10% of the amount will go to charity. Group size are restricted. So booking is essential. Because of limitation of group size, booking is essential. A travel card is also needed as a short tube ride is incorporated in the tour. He's saying that apart from all the things, a travel card is also needed because a short tube ride will be included in the tour. Means it is incorporated in the tour. Venue for the event will be London Bridge. Please refer to our website potterstour@london.co.uk for further details. Covent Garden. Glittering baubles and twinkling fairy lights turn the cobbled piazza into winter wonderland. Baubles means showy decoration. So the showy decoration and the twinkling fairy lights are turning the entire place into winter wonderland. It seems very beautiful. Wandered amongst the streets, buskers and living statues and experience the lively atmosphere of the market. Buskers are the persons who perform any sort of entertainment in the streets. So he is saying that even if you are not a fan of bric-a-brac and crafts, Covent Garden is irresistible at this time of year, tempting even the most reluctant of the shopkeepers. He is saying that even though you don't admire crafts or architect things, then also this place is very tempting at this time of year. Every Saturday, a live reindeer will be put into an appearance to add to the festive fun. So he's saying that every Saturday, a live reindeer is put in the show to increase the charm of the show. Liquid refreshments will be nearby as well as the festive fair. So he's saying that at the festive time, the liquid refreshment will also approach. Means the seasonal food will also be available at the time of the event. So D part is Somerset House skating rink. No matter how impressive your skating skill, a trip to this 900-meter scale outdoor rink is highly recommended. He's saying that although your skating skills are very impressive and very good, still then you need to go for this outdoor rink. Means this trip to 900-meter scale, outdoor rink is highly recommended even to all those persons who have a good skating skills. With the magnificent 18th century Somerset House as a stunning backdrop and a ring that is aglow with the fairy lights at the dusk fall, this is a perfect Christmas setting. Means the location and the decoration of the place is very beautiful and it seems to be a perfect setting for Christmas. Now the well-established skate school and penguin club are on the hand to help visitors of all ages build confidence and learn new tricks. So the skate school and the penguin clubs, these two schools and the club are helping all the visitors belong to different age groups, boost up their confidence and make them able to learn new tricks. So tickets available now. Advanced booking recommended for peak session during weekends. That means at certain point of time there is a number of visitors. Means there are a lot of visitors, but at some time the visitors are limited. So at that very particular time when there is a lot of rush of the visitors, you need to have advanced booking. That means there is a fluctuation of attendance of visitors over this place. So E part is winter sun installation, offering up a more unorthodox form of entertainment but promising to chase away January blues. Winter sun is a commission undertaken by a 3 strong team of 2 artists and 1 architect. He's saying that this event is a sort of unorthodox form of entertainment, but it promises to change your moods. Means the event in this event, the mood swings are regulated by the season. Means this event helps to regulate your mood swings. Means it helps to change your mood patterns. Winter Sun is a commission undertaken by 3 strong teams of 2 artists and 1 architect. Means Winter Sun is a commission that is undertaken by 3 strong teams comprising of 2 artists and 1 architect. Doubling up an event space in the bar, the circular metallic construction is covered on the outside by mini suns. He's saying that in order to increase the event space and the bar, the circular metallic construction is covered on the outside by mini suns that replicates the effect of natural daylight. Within the space functions as a bar and the venue for events. If the mini sun fails to lift your spirits, then step inside and cheer yourself with a selection of warming winter drinks and enjoy this entertainment on offer. In case the mini suns fail to impress you, then you can go inside the bar and have a drink from the various selection of warming drinks available over there. Enjoy yourself. So now we are going to do questions related to this reading passage. So let's start with the questions. Look at the 5 advertisements A to E referring to winter events in London. Which advertisements mention the following? Write the correct letter A to E in the boxes 9 to 14 on your answer sheets. You may use any letter more than once. So in this exercise, you have to write the letters A to E. You can use any letter more than once. Means you can use any letter twice or thrice. So first question is additional cost. So you have read in the B paragraph. A travel card is also needed as a short tube ride is incorporated in the tube. Means after giving all the details and additional information is also given that you need to have a travel card. So obviously if you need to have additional thing, you need to pay some additional cost because it is not mentioned that it is free of cost. So that means you have to pay some cost. So it is an additional cost for you. So the answer for this question would be B. Fluctuation in public attendance. So you have read in D paragraph. Advanced booking recommended for peak session during weekends. That means at some point of the year there is a lot of visitors and at some point of the year the visitors are limited. So at that very time when there is a lot of rush of visitors, you need to have advanced booking. So it shows that there is a fluctuation in attendance of visitors because it is specially mentioned that at peak session you need advanced booking. It is not mentioned that you need to have advanced booking throughout the year. Only at the peak sessions. So that means there is a fluctuation of visitors over there. So the answer to this question would be D paragraph. A possible source of regret. So in A paragraph you have read the line, when you see this exhibition, you might wish you had kept going. Means it is showing some sort of feeling of regret you are having to keep on with this exhibition or to continue with this exhibition. And moreover, in all the other paragraphs, remaining paragraphs, nothing is mentioned. Not any feeling of regret is mentioned. Means you don't see any sort of line over there which shows that the author is feeling some sort of regret. Only in the A paragraph there is a line which depicts or which shows that the author is having some sort of regret. So the answer to this question will be A. A seasonal food on offer means the food that is available in that particular season. So you have read in the C section, liquid refreshments will be nearby as well as festive fare. Means the liquid refreshments will approach at the time of the festive fun. Means the season in which liquid refreshments are very popular, that time will approach when the festive time will start. So these are the seasonal food that will be available to the visitors at the time of the event. So the answer to this question would be C. a change in career. Obviously, career is related to some person, and only in the A paragraph, some information is given about a person, that is Nanthan Swaya, who is a former corporate lawyer and also masters of tiny bricks. So there is career related information regarding Nanthan Swaya in A section. So answer to this question will be A. Seasonally induced mood changes. So we have read in E paragraph, offering up a more unorthodox form of entertainment but promising to chase away January blues. January blues means to change up your mood swings. So only this in this paragraph information is given regarding the change of mood swings. So answer to this question would be E paragraph. So I hope this reading section is clear to you. So in the next video we will go to the next reading part and continue with the section B of the reading test 4. So till then, develop your habit of reading different types of book and revise this reading section part 1 and part 2 both. First to 8 question and 9 to 14 question, and also try to solve different reading test papers of the IELTS reading module. Thank you everyone.